A. A for apple. B. B for banana. C. C for cherry. D. D for dragon fruit. E. E for elderberry. Let's sing again. A. A for apple. B. B for banana. C. C for cherry. D. D for dragon fruit. E. E for elderberry. F. F for fig. G. G for garnet. H. H for honeydew. I for itobam. J. J for jojube. Let's sing again. F. F for fig. G. G for garnet. H. H for honeydew. I for itobam. J. J for jojube. K. K for kiwi. L. L for lemon. M. M for mango. N. N for nectarine. O. O for orange. P. P for pear. Now a little faster. K. K for kiwi. L. L for lemon. M. M for mango. N. N for nectarine. O. O for orange. P. P for pear. Q. Q for quince. R. R for raspberry. S. S for strawberry. T. T for tamarind. U. U for ugly fruit. V. V for velvet tamarind. Now a little faster. Q. Q for quince. R for raspberry. S for strawberry. T for tamarind. U for ugly fruit. V for velvet tamarind. W. W for watermelon. X for camellia. Y for yanberry. Z for zapote. Let's sing again. W for watermelon. X for camellia. Y for yanberry. Z for zapote. Now we will sing again from A to Z a little faster. Let's start. A for apple. B for banana. C for cherry. D for dragon fruit. E for elderberry. F for fig. G for garnet. H for honeydew. I for itobam. J for jojube. K for kiwi. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nectarine. O for orange. P for pear. Q for quince. R for raspberry. S for strawberry. T for tamarind. U for ugly fruit. V for velvet tamarind. W for watermelon. X for camellia. Y for yanberry. Z for zapote. Good job, kids. Now sing super fast. Apple, banana, cherry, dragon fruit, elderberry, fig, gannet, honeydew, itapam, jujube, kiwi, lemon, mango, nectarine, orange, pear, quince, raspberry, strawberry, tamarind, ugly fruit, baba tamarind, watermelon, zinnia, youngberry, zapote.